PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Hey, this one is sidespin with a bit of backspin. Look, the two are not that different. Right, not much difference at all. Last time, I mocked you. I said you had 100 variations, but they all end up being no spin. That's actually the highest level of deception. So many different motions, yet all of them are no spin serves. It's to confuse the opponent. So cool, look at mine. The spin difference. Sidespin with backspin, right? Sidespin with topspin. My spin variation is clearer than yours. My spin difference is stronger. My fake motion is even more deceptive than yours. How can you compare to me? Spin or no spin? No spin. The motion looks almost the same. Utilize the force of the ball dropping down. What is this? The spin utilized in pushing and flicking does not rotate. Are these two serves the same? Spin. If it doesn't rotate, then utilize the force of it coming down. What kind of spin do you see? Is it a backspin? There's a motion of hooking upwards. Spin resonance. If it spins, what should I do if it doesn't? I push back. After pushing, flick him. Does the motion look similar? But they have completely different spins. One is underspin, the other is heavy spin. Do you understand now? It's a combination of pushing force and flicking force. Right, but what about the spin? Backspin combined with a hook. That's right, I hook along. Actually, it's a feint motion. It's done in a flowing manner. Why do you want to coordinate push and flick? Get down and squat to watch. Still haven't figured it out. Can't find the root of the problem. Look at what I did. This is why it isn't spinning. Then how do I make it spin? I'm spinning it. Came back right, didn't it? My push and flick are the same. Both are the same small tile movement. Right. One is rubbing the bottom, the other is pushing the back and flicking out. It's about spinning, or not spinning differently. Actually, I'm rubbing it back. It's just a feint. Look at the truth or falsehood and then serve. Look at the real and the fake. What is this? What kind of spin is this, real or fake? Right, fake and real. Why isn't it spinning? This isn't rubbing. Utilize the motion of pulling back. Fake means not spinning, real means spinning. Don't overthink. You can always serve. Yes, you can serve. So, this is a high toss, right? Did you learn how to serve when you were young? All kids have learned it. Just using the underspin is enough, right? Ha ha ha. Just serve a ball, right? Plus the previous posture. Right, once you got it. Add the previous posture. The posture is just a distraction. Understand? Yes. But the way you serve now, you're basically telling others that you're serving an underhand serve. Now you watch me. Got it. I'm still using the same serving motion as before because you're relaxed, so you'll be natural. It's coming down. Hey, you just dropped it, right? Ah, that's the feeling. And then you ate. This feeling serves well, right? What do I add after serving? I add. Right, I'll make it a bit faster. Just add a slight feint, right? The opponent can see it clearly, right? Ma Lin serves the best. His hand is following back. Is it this rhythm? It's easy to find the joint force. When serving the ball, his hand follows up. What are you doing now? Serve on this side and move away on the other. You can't generate power. Your body is not one whole. Look at this throwing. I'm following this and holding that now. Did you see it? When I lower my shot, I move away just right, and then go for another shot. Look, follow the ball. You don't have to serve high or low. Watch and follow the ball. Like this, right? Ah, following the ball. Did I do it? Just one look and it's not coordinated, right? Watch and follow the ball. Is my low serve correct? Is there enough time? Oh, do you think serving high and moving away like this is okay? I'll show you. Is a low serve in time? Is there enough time? Look, following the ball. These are all low serves. Did not serve high, right? I suggest you serve the ball. Try not to hit the ball too low. Look, you're serving from the side. Your shots are always slow like when it's high. I start from the back and press forward. I just need to find the outer edge. Isn't it a side spin in the middle? And it's also easy to be compact. Easy to miss the table. You see, by serving like this, it's easy to miss the table by tossing the serve. You're slow and high again. You're not putting enough spin because on it. You're not putting in enough effort. Are you daring enough to put in some effort? But I serve like this. Look, it's compact again. Do you think I put in enough effort? It's like giving him a punch. Yes, I put in a lot of effort. And then I'm compact. Why am I able to create a better arc on the ball? Easier to control the length of the shot. Can it reach the table? And finally, the abdomen slaps. Are you serving like this now? This is too difficult. You're making it hard for yourself. How can you possibly hit the ball low? Hitting the ball low is called scooping. What am I doing here? Cutting and pressing the serve. You're scooping the serve. Who do you think is better? Yes, yes. And then you feel like it's going to crunch the abdomen and it's done. Ah, nice shot. Was that serve better? Put more power into the serve. Look, she served well. Putting in some effort, yes, right? It's that simple. Why did you hit the ball out? Why did you push too much forward? It's because you're pushing too much forward. It's because your contact point is too high. Why play long balls? Remember, if your contact point is too high in front of your chest, you need to hit your own end line. That's a long ball. Okay, right? When your contact point is high. What should I do then? Try to wait until the lowest point. The more parallel to the table surface the less you downward force you'll have. The first bounce goes over here. He'll easily control you if you hit it harder.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.